Hey y'all, I thought y'all might want to see what I'm getting ready to fix. I'm just putting a few wings in here for me and Walter. These are the buffalo wings. Got them in here, see? And I put foil on the bottom of the tray. Alright. So, I'm supposed to cook these from frozen. Okay, cut it on. Dual mode. Air fry. I'm gonna put 450. Air fry. Temp. And then the other side. 450. Little boy. Air fry. I'm gonna say 30 minutes. Stay frozen. Time. And this side. The time. Okay, start. I will be back. Okay, I just had my shower and it's a little over 9 minutes left. How they look. Okay, I'm gonna turn them over. Remember, these were cooked from frozen. I don't know why you put that little piece in there. And I'm not going to spray the other side. I forgot I didn't need to spray these because they're naked. There's no breading on these. When I fix those smoked pecan wings, I spray those because there's breading on them. Okay. Just mess on my chicken. Okay, I'm ready to finish cooking. Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is a spur of the moment video. Start to just fix it. This chicken. I said, no, I'll film it. Okay. I'll be back when the chicken is done. Okay, it's winding down. Let me push it back. I put my wings on one side. And the right side cooks faster for some reason. So I put all the wings, my wings over there. Amber had takeout. So that's her stuff on this side. Since it was already hot. Okay, I'm gonna let it finish cooking. I'll be back. Okay, the wings are done. I'm gonna put some red hot wing sauce, buffalo sauce, and some ranch dressing. That's how they look. A nice pile of wings, and they're crispy. I'm gonna taste one. I don't have this camera on no tripod, so I'm gonna try to hold a hot wing and film. So let me turn this camera around. You can go and eat your food. I'll get it. Okay, here's the wing. Oh, I had to flip these wings over. Okay. Y'all hear that? It's crispy. And these are not breaded. So these are more healthy for you than the breaded. Y'all hear that? It's hot. Just don't need no extra seasoning. You got everything you need built in. I don't think I need that buffalo sauce. I just put a little ranch on it. Okay. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Bon appetit.